We'll get to the sun.
Why don't we go back to the park?
The park?
Yes, I'm thirsty. I need to drink water.
Let's go to Speedway. Speedway's literally at the park. That Speedway sucks, dude. No.
Why don't we just head back over to my house? I know a shortcut.
Alright, so.
Go that way, cross that street.
I would go to my house and trade it on my bike. That's in my house. Hey, go. Yeah, go. Let's go.
Okay. Minivan, park, okay. I'm not getting my
Yo, I try not to touch crap. Oh my god. Bro, I'm trying not. Oh my god. Yo, go down this alley. We forgot to turn, so we're gonna have to turn right and left. I think that's where we're going, bud. Oh my god. Feels so different after riding a mountain bike.
You should get a mountain bike.
I want to get an SE bike. They do? Yeah, guess what? Yours is probably worth 12 grand. Cause you literally made a mountain SE bike.
What?
Yes.
Yeah, but don't buy that.
I'd buy that shit.
I want to sell this thing if you.
In a few?
Huh?
In a few?
Huh?
In a few?
What?
Months?
I don't buy it in a few. So the one was,
You have to upgrade the hell out of that thing.
the one was called the Killer SE. It looks sick. And it has the scooter. I'm changing mine to where only the front is just, only the rear is just little. The front one's just gonna go gone. Give me an SE sprocket. Huh?
That's my aunt.
You're like right here.
It's not my aunt. That's actually my grandma. I forgot.
Right there, so you're behind that. Jaxon's right there.
Hell, you mean I'm riding this?
Never mind, you have to ride your bike.
No, I'm riding this.
I know, bro. You said right.
Yeah, and then he's gonna put his bike right.
Hey, yo, Carson.
It's loading some
Yeah, I'll probably stop.
What? This would get you shot if you're in the hood.
I've come to that before.
This will 100% get you shot.
I just bang bang.
Wait,
I was such a
all of us want to pop up at the same time.
Hang on. We're going to pop it up. Bro, my leg is so wet.
It's just for fun now, right? Where are you gonna put the
Oh, and you don't wheelie it. And you don't wheelie it. But you said that you don't wheelie yours.
Oh, I bet.
That means that you still wheelie it even though you barely.
Made out like today by Spawn. She's falling back.
I saw her in the car. She's.
They don't wait for you to put them off.
my breath. Imagine the license plate on that thing.
I popped it up.
It's so tiny. Fits in my hand. It's like torn apart. There's just the frame. I know. He showed me.
I showed you one.
Can we go inside? I'm thirsty.
Huh?
Can we go inside? I'm thirsty.
Yeah. Hey, come on, Nelson.
I've never been inside before.
Mine kind of messy.
This is not messy.
This is messy.
Am I loud in there?
Yeah.
Should I take off the side? Is anyone home?
No.
His mom, he literally said that his mom's not getting home till like 11. God damn, that scared the...
When did you pick that up?
I don't know.
P90 in the pool. There's a P90 in the pool.
The water guy.
There is.
There's literally P90 in the pool. Water gun.
Thing hurts.
What you doing, guys?
And water. Cup right here. Meow. Fuck out the way.
They'll bite you.
They won't?
Meow. Fuck out the way. They will not bite you, Rylan. Quit lying.
Shit.
There's flavor packets? Okay.
Well, flavor packets.
Imagine.
No, other cheese.
Oh,
What is that?
the seats.
Oh, look at that shit. Hey, my dog's scared of everything. He's scared of that. That's not even fucking funny.
Bring the big K cola.
Fucking put that up now. He's funny. Come here, son. Mia!
Where'd you find this?
In the ground.
That thing is like really old. Actually, it looks cool. She's like just right there.
Oh, it's a Hot Wheel.
Is there anybody in there?
Everyone's here. They're all wet.
Where's JJ?
Baseball.
Okay.